In the 1980s, Indian industry reflected a clear trend of a structural shift from consumer goods industry to basic and capital good industry. Reason demand for consumer goods decreased during this period. असर्शन सही है, रीज़न गलत है. मतलब वो डिक्रीज़ नहीं कर रहा था, इंक्रीज़ कर रहा था. Not a source of industrial finance in India. NABARD. NABARD established in July 1982 Apex Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, a small-scale industry finance to some extent. No connection with financing. Tertiary sector. Which sector of India contributes most of the GNP? Tertiary sector. Main source of national income. Service sector. Significant developed during the last decade. Tertiary sector. Agriculture, industry and service sector overall GB at current price in financial year 24 according to economic survey 23-24 17.17 से 27.6 और 55 9 30 मई 24-25 वाले में है 19.7%, 25.53% सेकेंडरी सेक्टर, टर्शियरी सेक्टर 55%. At the economic developed, national income share for the tertiary sector goes on increasing. Fiscal policy and revenue. Fiscal deficit of government of India is equal to debt creating capital receipt. Fiscal deficit, difference between government total expenditure and its total receipt excluding borrowing. A new definition of fiscal deficit was suggested by Chella Committee. Which among the following is a tool of fiscal policy? Tax. Fiscal deficit, sum of budget deficit and government market borrowing and liability. Gross primary deficit, gross fiscal deficit minus net interest payment, budgetary deficit, expenditure minus total receipt, revenue receipt, revenue deficit, revenue expenditure minus revenue, gross fiscal budgetary deficit, total expenditure minus total receipt plus government borrowing and other liability. Gross fiscal deficit, net domestic borrowing plus borrowing from Reserve Bank of India, borrowing from abroad. Not a tool of fiscal policy. Interest rate. Fiscal policy related to general government monetary policy through a monetary policy committee under Reserve Bank. Fiscal deficit of Union government 9.2% of the GDP. Pandemic 5 financial year 21 फाइनेंशियल 22 में फिर 6.7 नॉट 7.7. यूनियन बजट 21 जीडीपी एस्टिमेटेड 6.8 और 25-26 में है 4.4. To improve institutional agriculture credit flow, what credit target 20-21 फिक्स्ड यूनियन बजट 15 लाख, अभी 20 लाख थे 26-27 में 26-27. नो अनाउंसमेंट हैज़ बीन मेड रिगार्डिंग इंक्रीजिंग द फ्लो ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर क्रेडिट. 23-24 में 20 लाख था. सेंट्रल बजट 95-96 प्रपोज्ड एलोकेशन फॉर फैमिली वेलफेयर सर्विस डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड टू रूरल एरिया 726 करोड़. एक्सपेंडिचर 10-65-30.4 करोड़. कमोडिटी ट्रांजैक्शन टैक्स वाज इंट्रोड्यूस इन बजट ऑफ इंडिया 13-14. Grant given to central government to state and local body for the development of capital asset and are classified under which of the following central budget revenue expenditure? The money according from the sale of national savings certificate goes to which account of the government of India? Public account of India, consolidated fund of India, contingency fund of India. GST council का चेयरमैन यूनियन फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर. GST, what does revenue neutral rate meaning? Rate at which revenue for the state and center remain the same as before GST. Controlling authority of government expenditure is Ministry of Finance. Important tax revenue source of the government. Income tax, GST, corporation tax, central excise duty and custom duty. Non-planned expenditure of the central government is correct. Expenditure on interest payment. Which one of the following tax is largest source of revenue in India? Union excise duty. Railway budget 93 estimate increase additional revenue is approximately 0.36 crore. 2.93 lakh crore has been made 26-27 में. Largest single source revenue for the government of India from tax revenue, excise duty. Biggest source of income of government of India, direct tax. Largest source of income in India, direct tax. Main source of revenue, government of India, direct tax. Interest payment is an item of revenue expenditure. Revenue deficit is India implies to Indian government needs to borrow in order to finance its expenses which do not create capital asset. Effective revenue deficit introduced in Union budget 11-12. Fiscal deficit 92 to 93, 5389 crore. Fiscal deficit estimated 4.4% of GDP, which is not budget priority in Viksit Bharat in Union budget 24-25. Sustainable development. Priority of Indian budget 22-23. Disinvestment. Not included in intended objective of Union budget 17-18. Educate India. Tax GDP ratio in the financial year 21-22 11.7, 11.9 24-25. बजट 95-96 इनकम टैक्स एग्जेम्पशन 26-27 में है. इंक्रीज अप टू 40,000 26-27 में 0 से 4 0%, 4 से 8 5%, 8 से 12 10%, 12 से 16 15%, 16 से 20 20%, 20 से 40 20 से 24 25%, एवं 24 20 30%. Mod bet is related to excise duty. Service tax in India was introduced in 94-95. Ad hoc treasury bill system of meeting budget deficit in India was abolished on 31 मार्च 1997. According to Article 113, how much demand for guarantee in annual budget are presented in Parliament? No fixed demand. In current 102 demand for grant included mode bet and excise duty was. Which year railway budget merged in general budget 2017? Arun Jaitley, finance minister. Most important source of income for a state government in India. 8% GST, state government SGST. In which sector has maximum total expenditure of central government in India have been done last year? Development. Not tax of central government, land revenue. Which is such a tax which is levied by the central government and income received from it divide between center and state? None of these. 2 indirect tax, sales tax and excise duty. India percentage rate growth rate of fixed or definite investment increased 17-18 to reach 10%, 18-19 9.3%. अभी है 6.1%. 14th Finance Commission percentage share of state in net proceed of the shareable central tax revenue should be 42%. Planning. Not an objective of Indian planning. Population growth. In India, planned economy is based on mixed economy. Not part of National Development Council. Final approval of 5-year plan given by NDC. Who finally approves the draft of 5-year plan? NDC. Objective of 5-year plan: growth, central growth, modernization, self-reliance. Literature are not there. Mahalanobis plan adopted in India mid-50s aimed at setting up high industry which are capital intensive. Who prepared the outline of second 5-year plan? V.K. R.V. Rao. The second 5-year P.C. Mahalanobis. Plan period, plan holiday 66 or 69. Five-year plan is not true. Fourth 66 or 71. फोर्थ है 69 से 74. फिर 69 से 74 थर्ड के बाद तो प्लान हॉलीडे आ गया था 66 से 69 तक. विच 5-year plan period of Indian economy? First plan. Correct word D. Correct pair है. First 5-year plan agriculture. Third focusing on building a self-reliant and self-sustaining economy. Fourth 5-year plan growth with stability and progressive achievement of self-reliance. Fifth on poverty eradication, remove poverty, achieving self-reliance. Initiated during 6th 5-year plan integrated rural development IRDP 1976. IRDP rural development and poverty alleviation. Average annual growth in non-development expenditure in 7th 5-year plan. Five-year plan focused on human resource development. 8th 5-year plan. 8th 5-year plan priority to increase employment. 8th 5-year का 92 से 97. Target for increasing GDP under the 8th 5-year plan 5.6%. 9th 5-year plan 97 से 2002. 10th 5-year plan 2002 से 2007. Objective of 11th 5-year plan inclusive growth. 12th 5-year plan which one of the following annual growth rate target 4%. 12th 5-year 12 से 17. Rolling plan concept national planning was introduced by Janata government. A plan current year rolling plan which include annual budget. A plan fixed number of year 3 4 5. It revised every year as per requirement. A prospective plan for the 15-20 year. Who is the head of district planning and development council? District planning officer. Money and banking. Foreign exchange reserve of RBI include which one of the following? FCA foreign currency asset, gold, SDR, special drawing right, reserve tranche position सब रखता. Which is correct only for the Insolvency or Bankruptcy Board of India IBBA is regulatory body responsible for overseeing insolvency and bankruptcy proceeding. Which of the following factor could potentially contribute to stagflation in the Indian economy? High inflationary pressure due to increased government spending, decline in industrial production and sluggish economic growth, decrease in aggregate demand and consumer spending, appreciation of the domestic currency leading to a reduction in export competitiveness. Lowering the CRR, it will have following impact in the economy. Reducing CRR liquidity increase कर देगा, fall in interest rate and increase in lending and investment, increase in money supply. August 19, how much principal did Ministry of Finance, the Government of India to refuse टू इम्प्योर लिक्विडिटी एंड लेंडिंग अरेंजमेंट फॉर पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक 70,000। किसान ऋण पोर्टल रिजर्व बैंक और नाबार्ड। इन्वेस्टर और एजेंसियां कैन परचेज गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया सिक्योरिटी। RBI individual financial institution. How many times does RBI review the monetary policy in financial year? 6 times in a financial year. Bi-monthly monetary policy cycle has been, according to Reserve Bank of India (RBI). What is the forecast for headline inflation in financial year 25? 4.5, 25-26 CPI inflation. RBI using following inflation indices as anchor of inflation targeting. CPI combined as anchor of inflation target. Industrial worker, agriculture laborer, rural laborer or rural urban combined. Lending rate is calculated by the bank based on marginal cost of fund. Deregulation of interest rate of bank is based on recommendation of Narasimha Committee. To what extent did Narasimha Committee suggest reducing the SLR? 25%. R.N. Malhotra Committee is related to insurance sector. Bhandari Committee is related to regulation regional rural bank restructuring. Base year of All India Whole WPI change गवर्नमेंट 4 से 5 11 12। कंज्यूमर प्राइस इंडेक्स लेबर्स compiled by the Labour Bureau working under Ministry of Labour Employment Government of India. CPI urban non-manual employee used to compile CSO. Arts CPI combined by NSO. Financial sector reform in India consists of lowering down of CRR SLR, entry of private firm in insurance sector, deregulation of interest rate. If the CRR lowered, the RBI impact on credit creation will increase. Which of the following functions central bank manage the repo rate lending of commercial bank facility to government? Bank rate is the rate of interest which RBI charges its client on their short-term borrowing. Repo rate at which RBI charges its client for of their long-term borrowing. लॉन्ग टर्म बोरोइंग तो बैंक रेट उल्टा कर दिया, वो शॉर्ट टर्म तो रेपो रेट. Indian currency 1 rupee note is issued under the signature of Finance Secretary and Ministry of Finance, Government of India. 1 rupee note issued by Government of India. Instrument introduced by bank is known as plastic currency credit card. On October 8, 1991, RBI increased bank rate from 11 to 12 per annum. 25 बैंक रेट 5.5, MSF 5.5, रेपो रेट 5.25, SDF 5, RRR 3.35, CRR 3, SLR 18. Bank current rate of CRR declared by RBI. Not directly important economical development. Quantity of money. Life Insurance Corporation is an example of investment bank. Life Insurance Corporation of India established 1956 1 September 1956. Indian currency is printed on Nasik printing press. करेंसी नोट प्रेस नासिक, बैंक नोट प्रेस देवास, सिक्योरिटी प्रिंटिंग प्रेस हैदराबाद, सिक्योरिटी पेपर मिल नर्मदापुरम, इंडियन सिक्योरिटी प्रेस नासिक, मिंटिंग यूनिट मुंबई, कोलकाता, हैदराबाद, नोएडा. Main objective of monetary policy: control the money supply. Capital adequacy standard for bank regulated by Government of India 9% अभी. Hard currency means currency which belongs to developed country.